So again, most of the stuff you guys would have at your home, and it's easy to get. A basic first aid, you guys are going to need this. There's a good chance of getting scratches, bug bites, anything like that, so you're going to want Band-Aids, anything like that. So it's a good idea to get any kind of a first aid kit. Like I say, you probably have most of that stuff. Flashlights. It says a minimum of 2 flashlights with lots of spare batteries. A good idea to get anything like that. I also picked up a lantern, so whether you have one just for like soft light in a big room or specifically lights. Tarp. Not necessarily for pre-storm issues, but after the storm blows through, you have a window that might have got blown out, anything that might be leaking, it's a good idea to get a tarp, okay? So some tape. Now, the tape is kind of an issue that there's a misunderstanding that you want to tape your windows for hurricanes. It's a waste of time. Doesn't work, doesn't do anything, so don't tape your windows. The tape is for if you want to secure the tarp post-storm or anything like that. So again, trash bags. A lot of cleanup debris issues, so big heavy-duty trash bags for cleanup post-storm. It's always a good idea to have something like that. So these are contractor bags. So gloves. The reason why we want people to have gloves is they're going to be cleaning up glass, other sharp items, so get some kind of just good gloves that aren't going to get punctured. Probably either leather face gloves or anything like that. So gloves are a good idea to have. There's 2 pairs in there. I got a cheap, small extinguisher. Again, like I said, post-storm activities is when you're most likely to have a fire. So if there are electrical hazards, anything like that, gas leaks, electrical shorts, anything like that's probably where you're going to have that fire. So a small fire extinguisher would be a good idea to have in your hurricane kit. Spare batteries, pliers, just general tools, anything to kind of fix if you need to secure something, tie something off, anything like that. I had mentioned the water, how much water it would take that you would need to have on hand and secured at your house. So again, that general rule is a gallon of water per person per day. And again, it's not just the drinking water. So, you know, so you're going to need to brush your teeth. You're going to need to do a lot of that type of stuff. So having a lot of water on hand. Now, they also ask for a bucket. You can use a bucket for a number of different things. Having paper plates, glasses, things like that, you're not going to want to wash dishes, anything like that. So anything you guys can get for disposable stuff would be better. So get that.